nobody stop you. Na 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 na. Don't let nobody change you. Na 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 na. Live your life and catch the highest vibration. Live your life and catch the high, high, high. Live your life and catch the highest vibration.
Good morning, people. Good morning from Ireland. How are you guys doing? How was your night? My night was beautiful, super duper beautiful. Yeah, guys. So this morning I'm off. I am off today. Back to work tomorrow. When I'm off like that, I want to make the most of my off days. I want to sleep, and I still want to cook. Okay. So, I've been craving a 4-euro for some times now. I've been craving a 4-euro for some time now, so I want to cook it this morning. And I have a lecture to attend online today. In fact, I have a online presentation today. So, and I've not finished my PowerPoint slide. So I need to do that, and I want to rest, and I want to cook. So that is what I'm going to do today. So this morning I had my breakfast. Came downstairs with Desmond to have my breakfast. I had early breakfast because I only ate once yesterday. I only ate lunch. Let me call it brunch. I ate around 12 p.m. yesterday, and that was the only food I had yesterday. I only had, I think, 2 cups of coffee. Then I went to bed. Then I slept. So that's why I came downstairs this morning to have my early breakfast. Yeah, so I'm going to cook my 4-euro. It's going to be very fast because I already have my meat boiled and cut into bits because I like my meats to be, I don't like chunky meats in my 4-euro. I like it small ones. Yeah, so that is what I've just done. I'm going to blend the peppers now. Then boil it. So I bought this, not frozen one, I bought fresh spinach. So I'm going to use it. I have my fresh spinach. I have 3 bags, and I have my pepper here. Usually I don't eat pepper. Like I don't use, at times I use maybe 1 or 2, but this pepper is just, it's not pepper enough. I don't know, it's just like that. Very terrible for me to have eaten 6 of it. People that eat pepper would eat 20 or 40 of it. Because me, I cook 4 plums with 1 pepper or 2 max. 4 plums, 4 of these tomato plums. I use just 2 of Scotch bonnet, but because this one is just not hot enough, so that's why I'm using 6. So people that eat pepper, they will eat like 40 of it before they are satisfied.
Ẹgbẹ̀rún ahọ́n kò tó yan bàbá, àwọlẹ̀ àjùbà rẹ̀. Ìyọlá ni ìyọlá, ògo ni fún ọ bàbá. Agbára àti pàjẹ́sì rẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ̀rún ahọ́n kò tó yan, àwa wọlẹ̀ àjùbà rẹ̀. Mo ní ẹgbẹ̀rún ahọ́n kò tó yan bàbá, mo wólẹ̀ mójúbà rẹ̀.
Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay, for the first time in a while. Can't help but love my style, just caught in the...
I can't find my crayfish. I think I'm gonna cook it like that without crayfish. Ready to grab. Yummy, 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 delicious. So, me finished products. Yeah, bring your pounded yam. Bring your swallow. Let us eat. Let us eat a foriro. I like all the gifts that I got during my birthday. I didn't open any of them until we moved into this house. So this is one of them. This is one of the gifts I got. Then lots of them. I think toaster, grill. I have them kept there. Can you see them there? So I didn't open them. For this one now, I'm going to open it today so that I will start using it. After I'm going to be 51 soon. And I still have a 50 here. Let me start using it. Let me start using it. I love it. I will use this one, but I think I will keep this till some other time. I don't know. Look at that. 50. It's so gorgeous. Wine glass. I'll be using this to drink tea. I don't drink tea, to drink coffee. Ta-da! Yeah, 50. It's beautiful. 58. So I'll start using it from now on. That's it, guys. I finished cooking. So thanks for cooking with me. Thank you very much for cooking with me. I don't know if I'm going to add this to another video, or maybe I'm going to post it. Maybe it's going to be enough for me to post, but anyways, thank you very much for cooking with me. I'm not going to eat it now because I've had breakfast, so I'm going to eat maybe later for dinner. So I have some of my boiled meat. That's one disadvantage of cooking, having your almost done, like you prep your food. You have your pepper boiled, you have your meat boiled. It makes cooking very fast. I'll cook that one, keep that one for Bono or whatever, some other time. Anyways, guys, bye and do have a nice day. Bye. Bye-bye.